morning everyone. Today we will read chapter 3, Animals Around Us. So in this chapter we will read about animals. So there are many animals around us and the animals are different color, shape and size. So let's start the chapter. Okay students, identify these animals and write their names. So student, you are seeing this picture and you will write the name of these animals. Okay, so the first pick is tiger and the second pick is dog and the third pick is rat. Okay students, and the fourth pick is goat, fifth is sheep and elephant, and last one is cow. So you will identify the picture and you will write the name of these animals. There are many different types of animals around us. Some animals are big and some animals are small. Some animals live with us in our homes while some animals live in jungle. So student, you are seeing this picture and we are also familiar these things. We are seeing at our homes we keep animals at our home. Some animals we keep at our home and some animals live in the jungle. So in this chapter we will read. So in this chapter we will read about it. Okay, so which animals live along with us? So we can say it is pet animal. Okay student, and which animals live in the jungle? We can say it is a it is a wild animal. So we know the difference between wild animals and the pet animals. And the animals are different color, shape and size. We are seeing and we have seen elephant, lion, and there are many shapes of animals. So we are familiar. The animals are different shape, size and color. Some animals live on farms and useful to us. Some animals live on land and some live in water. There are some animals that live both on land and in water, while some animals live on trees or fly in the air. So student, and we are familiar, we know it. Some animals live on the land, but some animals live in the water, and some animals live both water and land. Okay, and some animals live on the tree and live on the trees, or they can fly in the sky. Types of, so turn the page. Next topic is types of animals. Okay, pet animals. We keep them in our homes. Dog and cat. Cats are pet animals. We take care of our pets. So students, which animal we can keep with us? We can say we can keep along with us at our home. So we can say it is a pet animals. Okay, and the next topic is wild animals. These animals live in forest. Tiger, bears, giraffes and snakes are wild animals. So student, which animal they doesn't live at home? We can say it is a wild animals. or which animals they live in the forest, we can say it is a. So which animal they live in the forest, we can say it is a forest. We can say it is a wild animal. A farm and pet animals are also called domestic animals. So student, we can say farm animals and pet animals. We can call them domestic animals. So domestic animal is farm animals and pet animals. Okay. Other than wild animals, pet and farm animals, there are many small animals that we see around us. These are called insects. Most insects live on land. They have 6 legs. Some insects like butterfly and housefly have wings and they can fly. Here are some common insects. So student, there are many animals around us. So we accept this wild animals, domestic animals and farm animals. Except this, we see many animals around us. So we can say it is a insects. Okay. And students, insects have 6 legs and and most insects live on land. So student, some insects have wings and they can fly. Okay. So you are seeing this picture, butterfly. We are seeing here common insects. Okay. Butterfly, honeybee, ladybug, grasshopper and ant. So student, you are seeing this picture. So we can say it is a insect. So student, turn the page, next page. And the next topic is, where do animals live? You have already read the most animals live on land. Pet animals and farm animals live in and around our homes and farms. Wild animals live in jungle. There are many animals like fish, whale and octopus that live in water, and some live in ponds, rivers and lake. Some live in seas and oceans. So student, we read in this chapter many types of animals. Some animals live on the land, some live in the water and some animals live land and water both. But some animals live in a water, and their name is fish, whale and octopus, etc. They live in the water. Good to know. Fish have fins, gills and a tail. Fins and the tail help fish to swim in water. Gills help fish to breathe in water. So animals, fish take a breath with the help of gills. Okay. Some animals like frog, crab and turtles can live both on land and in water. Frogs have webbed feet that help them to swim in water. When they are on land, their strong legs help them to hop from one place to another. Some animals, you are seeing this picture, tortoise, frog. Okay. Some animals like monkey, squirrel and birds live on trees. Some birds like crow and parrot can fly in the air. They have wings to fly. Birds have beak to eat food and feathers to keep their body warm. Not all birds can fly. For example, ostrich and penguin. So student, you are seeing this picture, sparrow and penguin. Student, we know that birds have wings, but not every birds have wings. Some birds have not wings. They cannot fly. We have also example of ostrich and penguin. They cannot fly, but some birds they can fly. So student, turn the page. So check your progress and you know and you are familiar about animals, so you will fill with yourself. Okay, first number, insects have dash legs. How many legs have? 6. Okay, so you will fill here 6 legs. Number 2, dash animals lives in jungles. So which animal lives in the jungle, student? Pet or wild? So you will write here wild animals. Wild animals live in the jungle, and pet animals, where does they live? Where do they live? They live at home. Okay. So we can say which animals live along with us. We can say it is a pet animals. Okay. And the third one is turtle can live both on dash and in water, air or land. So you will fill here, student, land, because turtle they can't fly. Okay, they live both. It means they live land and water. Fourth number, birds have beak to eat dash food or water. So you will write here eat food, because birds eat food, not water. Birds drink water, not eat water. Okay, so you will write here food. Fifth number, strong legs have a dash to hop. So crab or frog. So strong leg have a, so which animal hop? So we know very well, we are familiar. So frog. You will write here frog. Okay, student. And the next topic is, what do animals eat? Different animals have different eating habits. Some animals like cow, goat, giraffe and elephants. Elephant eat only plants and grass. Animals like lion, tiger, fox and wolf kill other animals and eat their flesh. Some animals like vulture and hyena eat the flesh of dead animals. So student, animals. Some animals eat grass, but some animals eat flesh, but some animals eat flesh of dead animals. We have an example of vulture and hyena. They eat flesh of dead animals. Okay. Next topic is protecting animals. It is our duty to protect animals. However, certain activities of man like hunting and killing animals for fun or for money have wiped out some of them from the world. They are no longer seen anywhere. For example, dodo, bird and dinosaurs. If we do not stop harming animals, more animals will vanish soon. Animals like tiger and panda are already facing danger. Though let us all pledge to protect animals and treat them with love and care. So student, we should protect animals and treat with them like a human beings. Okay? So student, we will meet in next chapter. Thank you.